Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today's episode is another keto dessert. Admittedly, I haven't been in the kitchen all that often, so given that it's a really cold day, we are in the midst of autumn here in Australia, so I figured I would do a keto 7-minute chocolate muffin. So without any further delay, I'll show you how you can make a quick and easy and simple dessert in less than 10 minutes. So if you're interested, please stay tuned. So that wraps up today's episode. I hope you enjoyed watching me make this very delicious and quick and easy dessert, and whilst still maintaining ketosis and following the ketogenic diet. These particular recipes are not only for people who follow keto, but for those who want a gluten-free, dairy-free, sugar-free dessert and also trying to maintain their weight. So on that note, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and make sure you click that notification bell for all the upcoming videos. I've got to go now. Thank you again for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye for now.